This is the Knight Rider car from the popular 80s television series with David Hasselhoff. Well, this is the Knight Rider car. The fantastic thing isn't that I'm here in it, but rather the owner. He's a Mexican who has become very popular at this car exhibition fair, where there are exotic classics. But this is the one that has stolen the spotlight. I'm going to tell you the details and introduce you to the owner and everything he had to do to achieve this. With this Trans AM, what are the cost and potential selling price if he ever decides to sell it? Here on the inside, obviously what you're going to see are all the gadgets, all those incredible accessories that the Knight Rider car had in the movie. Look at this steering Nike 2000, all the symbols, the logos, this is incredible. Look at the digital gauges. Both in its cluster and all the sensors that talk to him, the whole speaker system that talk to him. Power auto, norm pursuit. He has achieved all these things and it's truly admirable work. Because let's also look at the lever. This is automatic, the gear lever. Very well. Over there we have a radio and a central console with a series of buttons that you can't even imagine here. This is from the 80s series, from the year 82. Imagine the seating, the seats, look at the upholstery. Here, everything has a level of detail and has been well taken care of, which is admirable. Look at the whole shape. Let's say he made the dashboard itself with the exact same look as the one from the Knight Rider series, the fantastic car. And you'll even have the clock right there. Up here, well, we have the auxiliary button panel. I think this was to take off in the series, if I remember correctly. So all those Knight Rider fans, and I have to speak a bit loudly because I don't have the microphone right now. All those Knight Rider fans are going to recognize all these signals that the vehicle has. It's impressive. Look how beautiful it is. The work done by this friend is spectacular. Mexican. If you're liking this video, I'll continue sharing more on Knight Rider. Give me a like, please, and also subscribe for all this special content I have. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. If you're going to buy KITT or any other car, check out my digital book linked in the description. It's titled, Shut Your Mouth at the Dealer, Shut Your Mouth at the Dealership. You can take it with you as I explain how things have changed from before to after the pandemic. So, you can come out winning in a deal at the dealer. You can still come out ahead and not be a victim of the sharks there at the dealership. Take a look. Your name is Freedy Car Power 360. Freedy Car Power 360. What was the most challenging part of having this car?
The most challenging part was assembling the parts, the electronics, putting the electronics on the dashboard.
That was more complex as I also had to.
For the gas part, I mean filling it with gas, the oil, the adapters. That's what made it a bit tricky for me, but that would be the trickiest part in the car.
And how did you get the parts? I mean, the steering, the electronic components, how did you get those?
All those components are online. There are a couple of websites that sell parts to make a Knight Rider kit replica. From the fantastic car, the car.
Fantastic. Why did you like the show so much?
As an 8-year-old kid, when the show came out, I would have loved it like any other kid.
Obviously, I was fascinated to see a car driving itself, talking, interacting with Michael Knight, doing all those.
Thanks.
You know, driving itself, talking on its own. I mean, I was fascinated, so it was always my dream, and I said someday I'll have my own car.
Fantasy.
Were you a fan of David Hasselhoff?
Not so much of David Hasselhoff. I was more a fan of KITT, the car. The car.
Exactly. When did you buy it? What year did you buy it?
I bought it in 2005.
How much did it cost you?
The car, just the car itself, the chance cost me $3,500. And more or less between the parts. I mean, buying everything like the dashboard, the electronics, the lower and upper console.
All that, plus the paint job, comes out to about...
30,000 once converted.
You've spent about $30,000 on the car. You've invested about $30,000 in the car. Exactly. And if you were going to sell it, how much would you sell it for? Would you sell it? Why not?
Would you sell it? Because that
Is going to be for my son. The inheritance? My son's inheritance. He loves it too, and I don't know. I couldn't sell it. That's for...
And the fantastic car you have, it runs well, mechanically, everything's fine.
Perfect. It's perfectly fine. For being from 82, it doesn't have any problems. How much do you drive it? No, hardly at all. It's only for shows like this. I mean, car shows. Once in a while, maybe here in Westmont, which is where we live, to go downtown, but not much.
Very well, so you keep it in a garage, I imagine.
It stays tucked away in the garage, so it stays safe and in good condition.
And do people stop you a lot on the street or not?
It's not so much that they stop me, but it definitely draws a lot of attention.
A lot of people at stoplights or something, sometimes cars pull up next to you and say, "Don't you recognize him in the car?"
Nice rider, nice.
What's the most amazing thing you've done in that incredible car?
What's the most fantastic thing?
Making my son happy?
Ah. Thank you. What was your opinion of the fantastic car? Leave your opinion there in the comments. From 1 to 10, what rating would you give this work? To what this Mexican friend did? Give it a like. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other amazing videos around here. See you next time.